I found some treasures in our garden, spring onions and arugula. These actually grew on the same places that we saw last year, and I want to use them because they are really fresh. I also picked some common daisies. These beautiful flowers are edible and are very delicious. I'll make a video especially dedicated to this beautiful flower and also medicinal herb. But now I will make a very simple salad using these fresh leaves. There are also few radish leaves here, but mainly arugula. I like to cut my arugula because this is very hard to eat like that. So I just make few cuts. So when you eat the salad, they are not too big pieces. Just like that. These are very tiny, but very delicious. Spring onion and spring garlic. And I have some cherry tomatoes, which I'll just cut in halves, like that. Unfortunately, these are not from my garden, too early for tomatoes, but they will be a nice combination with the arugula. I also have one avocado at home, which will give some calories to the salad. You know how it's usually done. I need to season my salad. Balsamic vinegar, a lot of it. It goes really well with the arugula and tomatoes, and extra virgin olive oil. Mix. I will add mini mozzarella on top, just like that. Just another drizzle of olive oil. And final touches, my beautiful common daisies. They are edible. Flowers and leaves. Flowers have lemony taste, and I will just sprinkle them like beautiful decoration of my salad. My salad is ready. Please use the like and subscribe button if you like that idea, and let me know in the comment section of this video if you tried the recipe and how it turned.